Hi, I'm Ted Church with Anthem Branding. Thanks for reaching out about our custom 5-panel hats. Now with 5-panel, there's a bunch of different styles available. This particular style is a 5-panel camper hat. Typically when we build these out, we can do anything you want from a decoration method, so a lot of color blocking makes it really fun. For this specific hat, we used a cotton ripstop. We used a nice woven label on the front. You also get interior taping that can be customized, and then you get a nylon backing. Another option for a 5-panel is a fully sublimated camper hat. Full color sublimation with your own pattern that our team can help you design, or we can take your files. Woven labels, customization on the inside and your own private label, as well as that performance fabric that you see here. This particular one, we used a floppy bill, so it's nice and packable and perfect for running. We have your traditional 5-panel, which we call sometimes the grandpa hat. Nice patch on the front. We add that rope in the front, and then again, interior private taping and your own private label on the inside. Remember these half moons that keeps the shape? These can be done in different colorways. We can do it with or without. Flag labels on the outside as well as embroidery. When you get a chance, click the link to schedule a meeting with our team. We look forward to creating the perfect 5-panel for you.